Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnaut 24K on Twitter. Today we'll be looking at the WaterField Designs Pro Backpack. So right now it's in the plastic. We'll go ahead and get it out of the plastic. So if you're traveling this summer, or back to school, or back to work, or getting a new job, this backpack is perfect for you. We're going to take a look at all of the different zippers and compartments inside. So we went with a black leather top, and the rest is black ballistic material. So definitely has a rugged outside exterior, and we like the specialized zippers that have the water protection with the zipper top. And as you can see inside, we'll get a little bit closer. It's the WaterField Designs special interior, and that's on both sides up front. And now we'll get to the side pocket here, again with the same zipper waterproof covering, and this is a key catch-all right there. And here's a pocket, and this goes all the way down to the base of the pocket. It's a mesh pocket, and then there's a second mesh pocket here, even smaller. You can put 2 pens right there, and then something larger here, so maybe a battery or something else. And then on this side, it's another zippered compartment, again with the waterproof covering. We like that a lot. So a larger pocket here that's mesh, and then 2 more smaller mesh pockets here, and then a full pocket that goes to the base of the backpack here. So it's exactly the same type pockets on each side, and also this pocket in front is the same on this side as well. Now we'll go inside the bag. So this top compartment here opens up just a little bit, and you can see inside this is the WaterField Designs special lining, again, that continues throughout the bag. And then we'll go into the back section of the bag, which unzips completely. And then this is the folio that you can get made in the same black ballistic material and leather. So we'll show you quickly inside of this. Nice thick zipper. Again, same sort of lining inside, so the gold. And you have 2 pockets here and another pocket there. And then this unzips 3/4 of the way, and actually unzips all the way there, so you can fold it open. There's a pocket here for this folio, and this is a padded pocket. Right here is a padded pocket. And then you have separate smaller pockets here. So this unzips all the way, so you can fit a laptop or a larger tablet in here. And then back to the backpack, we started unzipping the back, which where the folio was placed. And right here you have the Made in San Francisco SF Bags logo. So we'll get a closer to that view right there. Great. And then this is a padded pocket for your laptop or larger tablet. Tablets are getting bigger these days. And then this is a full-size pocket right here. And again, this is where the folio slips right into, so there's enough space there. And then this is the back section where you have the backpack straps. And if you have luggage, the double rail luggage handle can go through here, so it'll sit nicely and it won't twist and turn when you're running through the airport to catch your international flight and or buses or trains or whatever else you're trying to travel on. This is the WaterField Designs Made in San Francisco Pro Backpack in black ballistic and black leather. And then of course you have the ever-present gold lining that they have. And I think most or all of their products. One more nice compartment on the very top. It only unzips this much, and it goes down to about here. So this is good for a large size smartphone. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. You've just seen the WaterField Designs Pro Backpack. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.